The first thing to point out is, of course, that BP doesn't control the compensation process. It agreed to a court procedure and the court-appointed administrator is handing the money over. Now, of course, there are lots of businesses that were seriously damaged by that appalling oil spill in 2010 that led to not only pollution but loss of lives. And they would be sort of seafood businesses or tourist businesses. But the way that the compensation scheme has been worded has allowed lots of other businesses to claim and receive millions and millions of dollars, each of them, even though BP says, actually, it's impossible to see how they could have been damaged. So, for example, money went to a law firm. This is one example that BP cited, whose profits actually went up after the oil spill. There's another example of an advertising agency that's been compensated for paying money over for TV adverts, the normal thing that advertising agencies do, simply for the costs of that, because the administrator didn't wait to see whether any revenue came in off the back of those adverts. So BP says, and it is an astonishing thing for it to say, that it's already paid out hundreds of millions of dollars to businesses that really have no right to it, and that the final bill could be many billions. In fact, some analysts are saying the final bill could be $40 billion if BP isn't able to overturn through the courts the way that the money is handed over. This is pretty scary stuff for a pretty important British company.